In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for creating business plans. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine an existing idea, Claude AI can be an invaluable tool to help you strategize effectively. So let's dive right into it. To begin with, the first thing you need to do is convey your business idea to Claude. This is fundamental because it sets the stage for everything else you'll be doing in the planning process. When communicating with Claude AI, make sure to include all the basic elements of your idea. Let's break these down a little further for clarity. First, mention your business name. Even if you haven't finalized one yet, a placeholder name will suffice for now. This helps to personalize your plan and gives Claude a specific focus. Then provide details about your product or service. It's crucial to be specific here because the more Claude knows, the better it can assist you. Describe in sufficient detail what you aim to offer to the market. Next, identify your target customers. Think carefully about who would most likely benefit from your business. Defining your audience helps in crafting marketing strategies down the line. For instance, are you targeting young adults, working professionals, or perhaps people over 60? Sharing these insights with Claude will significantly enhance the feedback it provides. Furthermore, you'll need to address your location or the market you're aiming to penetrate. It's essential to think geographically and demographically about where your services or products will be most in demand. You'll also want to define your revenue model. How will you make money? Whether it's selling directly to customers, through subscription services, or maybe even via advertisements, giving Claude a clear picture of your intended revenue stream is crucial. Another key detail to share with Claude is your estimated starting budget. Understanding your budget constraints is vital, as it influences your business scale and strategy. So have a figure ready, even if it's a rough estimate. Don't forget to mention your main competitors. Knowing who your competition is can help Claude guide you in finding unique selling propositions, or USPs, that set you apart. Finally, outline your goals. Whether it's making a certain amount of sales in the first year or expanding to other locations in the future, goals help shape a strategic direction for your business that Claude can aid with. For example, you might say something like, I want to start an online business selling handmade candles in India. My target customers are people aged 18 to 40, and my starting budget is Rs50,000. Please help me create a realistic business plan. This detailed information serves as the foundation upon which Claude can build a comprehensive business plan tailored to your unique needs. By effectively communicating these aspects, you pave the way for Claude AI to generate insights and strategic advice that are both practical and personalized. Follow these guidelines and you'll find yourself well equipped to harness the full potential of Claude AI in crafting a robust business plan. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your business endeavors.